Up for sale, 1954 Chevy pickup. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 54 3100 pickup, desirable 5-window cab. Was previously frame off restored and is now finished in like a custom maroon with a little bit of pearl to it. Has original 6-cylinder motor in it and 3-speed manual on the column. So walk around it, point out things that I see, and then we'll drive it. We will start here in the front. For starters, the chrome bumper, all this chrome is perfect, like brand new. And if these are perfect, I'm gonna say these are very nice. But this, as you see here, really looks like new. Like I said, it was frame off restored, but it looks to be kind of just, there's some marks right there, another one right there, like the guy built it, there's not a lot of miles, it just sat where he kept his cars, and it just kind of got pushed around a little bit over the years, so it hasn't been driven too much, but there's some, marks on the paint from just hanging out and, moving around. A couple little guys right there, a little touch up right there, a couple more. It's an all steel body, all the fenders, and of course everything's steel, of course. The floors underneath the cab and the inner fenders are painted the same color as the car. Another little mark down there is it got the expensive Firestone bias ply tires on it with the baby moon caps and the little trim ring, which look great. All the glass is new. Weather stripping is new. The trimmer on the window, stuff like that, all new. The interior is pretty much all new. So let me go around here to this side. There's a little tiny stone chip right there. Another little chip right there. So being, frame off restored, the frame's painted beautifully. Looks really nice under there. Dual mirrors, and it has turn signals on it. 12-volt electric, and it has a cherry bomb single exhaust coming out of it. Let's open up. There we go. Nice here, nicely blackened. Firewalls painted the same pretty much as the car. There's your Thriftmaster 235. Underhood painted the same color as the outside as well. So we'll keep going down. Looks like you see a couple probably in here, a couple marks on the door. And here's the step gate. Looks like a little bit of crack in the paint here. Nice spare. Always complements the truck nicely. Again, like I said, it's all new glass, so this is all super nice. The weather stripping around the glass is excellent. Keep going here. All new weather stripping on the door all the way down. Nice seat. Nicely painted in here too with your little cardboard kit headliner. Couple added gauges you see down there, and I like that they left the factory steering wheel in it. Oh, and it looks to be, you kind of see it, like 3 dents here, probably from pushing the door closed. Maybe that's the thing, you lean your hand there and shove it, I don't know. A couple more little guys down there. And as you see, there are a couple other little white specks that are marks. Beautiful wood bed in it. Looks like a couple marks on the back there. And then a few on the lip of the bed here, maybe from putting things on it over time. A couple more marks. The rear bumper is just like the front, looks pretty much brand new. See a couple chips on here, a couple more marks on top. Has a 10-bolt rear in it. Couple more marks. See, there's the rear. More little guys right there. Little crack in the paint right there. A couple more marks from where the rail meets that. Little mark right there. Looks like a little bit of marking in the door right there. A couple other little guys. A couple more little white spots. This rubber mat's ripped here, as you see, probably because the battery's below there, maybe disconnecting the battery when it's sitting for a long time, maybe it just, ripped from doing that. But the rest of the vinyl mat's nice. There's that. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 54 3100 pickup. Previous frame off restoration. Now finished in like a custom reddish with a little bit of pearl. Original 6-cylinder, 3-speed manual on the column. And we are getting to the point now where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you.